Torrential rains and fierce winds have battered northern Taiwan this week. This is due to the passing of Tropical Storm Fengshen and seasonal winds. Northern Hsinchu, Greater Taipei, Keelung, and other northern areas have been hit hardest. Wu Sang-yu, a senior weather consultant, said that Fengshen's outer circulation has combined with the northeast seasonal winds. This has extended the duration of rainfall in Taiwan's north.
看起来至少到周六就是到25号之前，其实降雨的状况都还是蛮大的。那可能要到礼拜天整个水汽的量才会有慢慢开始减少的趋势。
Other experts have said that mountainous parts will be more affected.
台湾的这个东北部其实是会有一个比较小的低气压啦。那当然，这个低气压其实它所带来的降雨大概也是会比较偏在这个宜兰跟新北的山区这一带，还有在这个台北市的这个阳明山、士林这一带的一个降雨。
Rainfall has reached alarming levels in Taipei, reaching 800 millimeters in parts of Yangmingshan. While Taiwan is accustomed to heavy rains, experts worry that climate change will make them worse. A 2022 study showed that heavy rain events have become more intense and common over time. Globally, climate change is making extreme weather more extreme. Storms may be even fiercer in the near future. Last year was the warmest year in history since records dating back to 1850. As extreme weather becomes more frequent, communities will have to double down on disaster preparedness and adaptation measures. In the meantime, residents of northern Taiwan are bracing for more rain over the long weekend. Jiao Hanwen, Liu Yanxun, Lily Hess, TBS, World Taiwan.